I look for. Is your birthday? Ogin ye Kate. Not be Ogin ye Kate.
As your water in your day. You were the last person. Ogin ye Kate. Una wa shabono.
Yes, it's not working.
Look at you.
Ogin ye Kate. Are you stupid? Ogun gbegbera. Is your birthday? Ekete kia no we e faith igbasha wo say faith na ashewo. You know say faith and mama kete kia stand for the same road. Not be Ogin ye Kate. If you dey talk and say Ogin ye Kate, oya na mi go ma wa shewo. No! Are you mad? Iye Kate is a prostitute. None signed and sealed. Uhere Bruce not be saga, not be say na because saga no gun gbe joue. Is your bed the pump star ni wa bole joue gbe. Ogin ye Kate because who are where Ogin ye Kate meaning in mama no be ashi. Well, yes, in mama is a confirmed ashi. Akuna kuna unjere do we bana sakare that one a confirm. Ogin ye Kate. He said proud mom say, oh no, Ogin ye Kate and Kate ne be ashie wo for bedjo. Not be Ogin, this one not be saga, say they do saga with lies. Say na to saga ram. Say you they put waiting out there body for a body. No, it's not the case. Ni wa born like Jouegbe pom star. Is a bastard. Oh, monuka bien ne ran ogun gbo. Why they be bastard of it? You are born la wegbe. Oh, Ogin ye Kate. You the craze. Okay, you think say na lie na? Eba ye we saga go here. Is it now you're still doing? We are in 2022 for crying out loud. Not be now with the do saga of like how they do saga of say just talking because you want to talk. No! Mama Kate is a prostitute. She's a kuna ogbasha we beg your life and direct. A faith in the Edwata, in your faith, they stand for the same road, that's surely. My friend, when they be bow, in your mama Kate stand for the same road. People when they bedroom, in your mama Kate stand for the same road. Road walk, akuna bastard. Oh, Ogin ye Kate, ogun gwe back panoro ekoni abitu fian wu. You are bola wegbe abitu too soon where than the wa. Are you mad? Nana they do saga with like all they put waiting all day they put for a body. Mama Kate is a prostitute. You get it? That not be rumor saying a saga. It's not a saga. It's not a saga. Or we saga no. When no you win ye, when no yari ye body la re, burn and then you wish yega share wo. Inyama belly je, they not belly mama hanging mama like this. Ipa. Say they don't hanging mama for road walk. For Bruce. You the craze. Are you mad? Nah, so Ogin ye Kate to bois. You the mad? And I thought something, they are talking, so you are talking bullshit. Just come and they blab with your equivalent. See as you can't be like idiot. Pump stand, no man will not let me devil war. If you are shower, no, not shower is where he also not defend the share war. Your mama is a prostitute. That's why they defend mama and share war like a take care. They are adulterous in bedside. Mama Kate is a confirmed seal akuna. When both black and or you both fuck for Belgium. You got it? It's not a saga. Or a way saga, when do you win the air, very way saga. It's not a saga. This is not a saga. Oh, Ogin ye Kate. Now, so proud mom is right. saga mudia ve disero ni ana belle. Ipe. They not belle for his front. My friend when they be bow, they buy my market. You na belle kunre. You na belle. You the craze. They talk fat. They talk rubbish. We are talking about that is 2022. From 2021 to 2022, no saga with lies. I saga with oge. You got it? I thought say he picking the sleeping bako, and it was confirmed that he shouldn't the sleeping bako that she's useless. You don't saga with lies anymore. Anywhere is not done anywhere anymore. Quand they saga with lies, they going to say na lie. You ogwon boys your birthday. E ga fe don smart. No ga you he po. Ona you he they don smart in live video ni wa bola we gbe. Ni wa bo fie kun le lu no de va wo. See who see they talk to proud mom. Are you better than her? We men we ya gwale clear the live video na he. You no ga gwale don smart. If you bet the open toto for those smart for live video, where 2021 now you go rugged. If a bastard in we are piani, who when we can the don't smart I the live video now. When I say I'm ready for you to say you think I'm joking? Oh go berak bijou no be there. Sabi wa bon live jouer be. Ou fian wou. Si a pe si ton be like, o ma de ton fian wou. If you know what happened to me, because you bastard, you 2022 now. You dey crazy. Kate is actually a prostitute. Kuna. When black and Oyibo fuck for Belgium. Odokpo is not a saga. You know they hear you deaf. Now me and you they do saga with lies. Now me and you okay, saga waiting all day they will call they talk. No, you don't do that. Big girls don't do that. The bitch like me, no, they do that one. Mind you, when they craze. No be
another person on which nobody for this planet go come at. Say, now so she be wise. Eat your water in no day. You, when the last person, Oginje kids, una washa one, God you look.
Oginje ketiga share one of God you is a fact. All you share one. Or are we share one when all your palace? Or are we a man get Bruce like this? Ipe. What are you bearing? Cough! Like, are you mad? You the Chris. Say that when I saw one person they turn I saw are you for real? Now me they do saga with lies. Now me you can do saga they say, oh I bet say na saga. Like are you kidding me? 2022 online now. Long time my love, long time sweetie. They mad. Ogun boy. A pop star no man when I not be a bastard leleya. Proud mom now one man she born two children for in case you don't know. Proud Mom TV is your birthday no war. Ashiawa masha where you not be a bastard. Echo no where one another man get am. Oh you bad. Now shit now get am. Is it the father? Edenu be a bastard ni. Edenu mi aswane DNA. Moi na mi de run. Marone. In case you don't know, na me they ask the real DNA for Facebook. Run Facebook ina. Now me they ask the real genuine DNA. Ede no be a bastard ini. Ede no DNA. Yes, read my lips. Ogun boy. Now say, proud mom. Now one man she born 2 children for you. You never hear. You at your age, proud mom is older than you. You don't born for different father. The first father we don't know is whereabouts. The second picking when you get him up, but no Niger na go even know who or even know keke. Because people when we say they get beleri ya hama, oh weje na even know keke. Ne, I met down your echo. Now you be is your birthday. You got it? Oh, why you now even know keke no woo here? Or all the evil when you are your pa they do. My pa de rodo, my mama de